Welcome to our review of the TORRAS 03 fitness case. This case is designed for fitness enthusiasts and busy professionals, offering unparalleled convenience and functionality. Experience next-level magnetic strength with TORRAS's patented Halbach Array and N56 neodymium magnets. Halbach Array and N56 neodymium magnets, delivering 200% stronger hold than standard magnets. Your phone will snap onto all magnetic accessories with zero slipping or misalignment. Enjoy full-angle freedom with the 360-degree stand, built from aerospace-grade aluminum and tested for 300,000 uses. Use it vertically, horizontally, or as a ring grip. Hook it to your gym rack, prop it on your desk, or snap it to your fridge. The 03 fitness case features TORRAS's upgraded 360-degree airstrip cushioning, an aircraft runway-inspired shock absorption system that wraps around the entire frame. Backed by 12-foot military-grade drop protection and over 8,000 real-world drop tests, it shields your iPhone from every impact angle. Keep your case pristine with a nano coating and anti-fingerprint layer that resists 99.9% of smudges. The ultra-slim design is just 0.04 inches thin, keeping your phone sleek with all-around protection that doesn't add bulk. Get your TORRAS 03 fitness case today and experience the ultimate in phone protection and convenience. With its advanced features, durable design, and sleek look, this case is perfect for anyone looking to take their iPhone 16 to the next level. Whether you're hitting the gym or just running errands, the TORRAS 03 fitness case has got you covered. With its 360-degree stand and camera control button, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. The TORRAS 03 fitness case is designed to provide a seamless user experience with features like wireless charging and magnetic stability. Get yours today and experience the difference for yourself. TORRAS 03 fitness case, the perfect accessory for your iPhone 16. With its advanced features, durable design, and sleek look, this case is sure to exceed your expectations. Order now and take your phone to the next level.